Some breaking news coming in. Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad there has now spoken out on the government's action of banning 59 Chinese apps, calling it a digital strike on China. He said that the government has been, in fact, given a befitting reply to Beijing. The government has now taken strict action, given a befitting reply to China. Union Minister there, Ravi Shankar Prasad, now speaking out on banning the 59 Chinese apps. Let's take a quick listen what he had to say.
हम लोगों ने 59 ऐप को बैन किया है। कानूनी कार्रवाई होगी उसकी, लेकिन ये उसमें टिकटॉक भी है, पता है ना आपको? भारत की जनता की निजता के ऊपर, भारत की जनता की डेटा की चोरी के ऊपर, भारत की जनता के डेटा को भारत से बाहर भेजने के किसी कार्रवाई पर हम बहुत सख्त हैं। भारत की जनता के डेटा की सुरक्षा पर कोई हम समझौता नहीं करेंगे। भारत की अखंडता, भारत की संप्रभुता, भारत की सुरक्षा, इस पर हम कोई समझौता नहीं करेंगे। कि भारत अपनी सीमा पर आंख में आकर बात करना भी जानता है और भारत के लोगों की सुरक्षा के लिए भारत डिजिटल स्ट्राइक करना भी जानता है। यह है भारत का संकल्प और साहस, यह हमें समझना चाहिए।
Cutting across to Aishwarya Paliwal joining us for more details. Aishwarya, Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad calling this India's surgical strike, a digital strike on China via banning 59 apps, including TikTok. He says India will not compromise with its sovereignty, integrity and privacy rights.
Yes, we definitely are seeing a very strong statement coming from Ravi Shankar Prasad. Also, he's made this statement after India has banned 59 apps, and India today did a reality check. None of those apps are now functioning. Let me also tell you, from what we understand from our sources, is that the government is now also very keenly looking at other Chinese apps that might be functioning in the country. And from what we understand, if the government comes to a conclusion that other apps are also sending data of Indian citizens to China, then those apps could also be banned very soon.
Right, Aishwarya, thank you very much for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.